Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the steering column in your 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado and Tahoe and your GMC Sierra and Yukon. First thing we want to do is at the base of the steering column, you want to stick a lock pin in the column. What this will do is it'll keep the steering wheel from moving when the key is on or the steering shaft is disconnected at the bottom. We don't want the steering wheel to spin because we could break the clock spring and set an airbag code. Alright, next what we want to do is we want to go ahead and remove the two Phillips screws down on the bottom and the one 10mm. Let's go ahead and push the emergency brake pedal down. This is one of our Phillips. We got another one right here. Right here, you have a 10mm. Go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and remove our fuse box cover from the side. We'll go ahead and pull out on this. Take the knee bolster off. Once we got that done, we're going to go ahead and remove this metal bracket. It's got four 10mm nuts on it. Go ahead and slide that out of our way. Get that 10mm nut to drop. Now that we got that out of our way, let's go ahead and disconnect our transmission shift linkage. I'll take a little crow's foot, stick in there, pop it off, just like that. I'm trying to stay out of the way of this the camera. Go ahead and slide this vent out of our way. Right here you have a little horseshoe clip. I'm going to slide this horseshoe clip out, pull it out, push in at the bottom of the linkage, and then again at the top, slide it out this hole right here. That'll get our shift linkage out of the way. Once we got that done, we're going to go ahead and disconnect our body control module harness. It's the green connector. Push in, slide out. There's another wide connector in the back with a blue push clip. Push that clip back and slide that out. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and loosened the intermediate steering shaft bolt just so I could disconnect it for you and save you the wrench time. But right here is your intermediate steering shaft. You're going to want to, there's a 13 on the bolt side, 15 on the nut side. Take your 13 wrench and your 15 ratchet, or ratchet wrench. Take the 15 off. Slide your bolt out. Now, you can push down on this shaft, and sometimes it'll, if it's lubricated really good, it'll slide down. Just like that, and slide out. Save you a little bit of time. Next, we got four 15mm nuts holding the column in. Let's go ahead and remove the back two first. And then the front two. You always want to finish with the one on the driver's side. That way you can hold the steering wheel and go ahead and let it down without it dropping on you. Next, with all that disconnected, let's go ahead. Try not to move the steering wheel if you don't have a lock in there. As long as you don't turn a whole rotation, you're fine. Just go ahead and lift it. Hold it in the back, slide it, feed our cables across. In the back, the steering linkage cable is in it. Go ahead and move that out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and slide it out. And you're done. And this is the steering column. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.